The house was built in 1891 for Charles Henry. It's a gorgeous building. It became what would be a paradigm for the modern house. Charles Henry was the co-founder and first agent for the Bank of Monterey. He and his wife and his daughter Lou lived here at the time. And Lou, of course, went to school at San Jose State. In 93, 94, she was a teacher and she worked for her dad at the bank before she left for Stanford University. It was there that she met Herbert Hoover. Hoover became her husband. Well, this was a vacation house for them until he became the President of the United States. Between 1891 and 1924, there were only 2 or 3 houses here in this, what's called the Bergier Park.
I love the redwood interior of the home. It has a timeless, classic beauty. Redwood architecture, attention to detail in the craftsmanship. Even in the dining room, there is the growth chart of Herbert Hoover's family, children, and grandchildren.
In 1913, the house was given to Lou by her parents, and then it became the Hoover House. What we call it is vernacular style. There was a transition in California, moving from more vernacular buildings, simple buildings, to complex in the arts and crafts movement. The interiors are all heart redwood from the time. It's in excellent condition. The original building envelope is here. There was some modification made in 1950. There was a book written in 1909 after this was built called The Simple House by Bernard Maybeck in Berkeley. Then became the rage, if you will, and translated the English arts and crafts into more California. The idea was natural materials, lots of windows, bringing the outside inside, open spaces. So the transfer went away from the little boxes of the 19th century to a very open space. And that is clearly evident in this particular building.
This home has a story wherever you look. And I'm really excited for the next family to purchase this home and continue on Herbert Hoover's legacy.